everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you another colour reveal Barbie, and this was sent to me from MK Toys and Books. This is from the Barbie Chelsea Monochrome series and there are 5 dolls to collect. The set comes with 6 surprises including a Barbie Chelsea doll as well as 4 mystery bags with accessories inside. Inside the first mystery bag is a colour reveal Chelsea doll covered in pink and white paint. To reveal the doll's look, fill the tube with warm water, then insert the doll and swirl her around. The water turns a light pastel pink, and when the doll is pulled out, her look is revealed. The doll has blonde hair, light brown eyes and pink lipstick, and she's wearing a black and white top that has a picture of a skunk on the front. And what's really cool is that you can use ice cold water to change the colour of her top. Inside the next mystery bag is a bright and curly yellow hairpiece. In the next one there is a white and yellow checkered skirt. Inside this mystery bag is a pair of yellow sunglasses. And in the last mystery bag is a pair of yellow shoes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing. Also make sure to check out MK Toys and Books, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye!